My name is Mike Anderson, and I'm a reporter at KSL here in Salt Lake City. And over 20 years ago, SUU helped me get my start in the TV news business, helping me get my first job in Rapid City, South Dakota, which I credit in large part to the very hands-on program they have within the communications department. And it's also a very special school to me because it's also where I met my wife. So my hope for the future of SUU would be that it can help continue to make young people fall in love and get married. And sorry, wrong school. Actually, my hope for the future would be that SUU can continue to grow in its offerings in education, giving people that affordable and quality education that many people are looking for in this country. But seriously, that's something that I found there at SUU. It's a great place to learn and grow and spread your wings and get started in life. I also like to offer a big congratulations to Mindy Benson. Glad to hear that at the helm is going to be someone who knows firsthand what great things that SUU has to offer. So good luck to that in the future.